Now we can wait this for a few minutes and it will be done. Okay, now when we are done, we can see this is done correctly, but something is here. We have a lot of things and the packages. So first we can clean up some of these packages, and to do so, let me see. We have something here. We have some notes here. We can see it is npm run reset project. Npm run reset. Let me confirm again. Npm run reset project. Then project npm run reset project, and you click enter, and you are being asked, do you want to move existing file? And here you can say no, let them clean everything, and yes. Now you can see there are some files that I have got rid of. All this they have depleted, and now the file is clean. So let me end this. We start next.